To begin installing a Type B silt fence, you will start by digging a 6-inch by 6-inch trench. Place all of your spoils on the upstream side of the silt fence. Once your trench is complete, you will take your silt fence roll and unroll it. Start by driving the first post into the ground. Drive your post 18 inches into the ground, ensuring that 24 to 30 inches are left above. When you move to your second post, be sure to keep tension. Continue this pattern until you reach the last post. Once you reach the final post, use a seamless connection to attach the silt fences together. To achieve a seamless connection, overlap the last post of your silt fence with the first post of the next one. Twist them together and drive it into the ground. Continue using the same method to install the next silt fence as you did with the first one. After the silt fence is fully installed, come back and fill in the trench with your spoil material. The Type B silt fence is a great method for short-term protection of your stockpile area. To learn more, visit our website at stormwater.auburn.edu.